welcome to Storytime with Anna. I'm Anna. The book that I'm going to be reading is called The Greedy Python. Let's begin. The Greedy Python. Half hidden in the jungle green, the biggest snake there's ever been wound back and forth and in between. Do you see the giant snake? There's the giant snake. The giant snake was very strong and very, very, very long. He had a monstrous appetite. His stomach stretched from left to right. Do you see the snake? There's the snake. It's so long. He quickly gobbled in one bite whatever creatures came in sight. A mouse that scampered to and fro, a frog that jumped up from below, a bat that hung from his left toe, a fish that swam a bit too slow, a bird that flew a bit too low. Do you see the mouse? Can you point to the mouse? There's the mouse. Do you see the frog? There's the frog. Do you see the bat? There's the bat. Do you see the fish? There's the fish. Do you see the bird? There's the bird. A porcupine still half asleep, a monkey who was in mid-leap. Do you see the porcupine? Can you point to the porcupine? There it is. What about the monkey? Can you point to the monkey? There's the monkey. A leopard sitting in a tree, a buffalo who came to see. Do you see the leopard? Where's the leopard at? He's sitting in the tree. An elephant, complete with trunk, was swallowed in a single chunk. I'm far too big to eat, he cried. Oh, no, you're not, the snake replied. See the elephant? He's so big. At last, the python's meal was done, and he lay resting in the sun. The animals inside his skin were making quite a dreadful din. See, there's the python. It's so big now with all the animals. And when they all began to kick, the snake began to feel quite sick. He coughed the whole lot up again, each one of them, and there were 10. He swallowed 10 animals. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 animals. He soon felt better, and what's more, was hungrier than just before. He hadn't learned a single thing. His greed was quite astonishing. He saw his own tail, long and curved, and thought that lunch was being served. Do you see the python? There's the python. There's the mouth. And it's trying to eat its own tail. He closed his jaws on his own rear, then swallowed hard and disappeared. The end.